Hello, today we will guide you through how to free up Creative Cloud space, empty trash. If your Creative Cloud storage is running low, there's a quick win you can do right now. Permanently empty the deleted section of your cloud files. Items you've removed from your libraries or synced folders don't stop counting against your quota until they're permanently deleted. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to clear that space safely and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Make sure you're signed in to your Adobe account so you can access your files. Once you're on the main Creative Cloud page, look for the Files option in the top navigation or the sidebar. Click Files to open your cloud storage area. This is where all your synced documents, libraries, and shared items live. Inside Files, find and open the deleted section. Depending on your layout, it may appear as deleted or trash. This is the holding area for files you previously removed. They're not visible in your active folders, but they still use space until you permanently delete them. If you've been working on large projects, this area can fill up quickly. Now, select everything you want to remove from deleted. To clear all at once, use the Select All option near the top of the file list. If you prefer to keep specific items, you can individually select only the ones you're sure you no longer need. Take a moment to scan through the list. If something looks important, consider restoring or downloading it before you continue. With your item selected, choose Delete Permanently. This action tells Creative Cloud to remove those files from your account for good, which immediately frees up storage space. You'll see a confirmation prompt next. This is intentional because the deletion can't be undone. Confirm by clicking Delete Permanently again. Read the prompt carefully so you're comfortable with the choice. After confirming, Creative Cloud will process the removal. For a large number of files, it might take a little time for your storage meter to update. If the space indicator doesn't refresh right away, wait a moment and then reload the page to see the new total. And that's it. By navigating to Files, opening Deleted, selecting your items, and confirming Delete Permanently, you've cleared out your Creative Cloud trash and reclaimed valuable space. This quick cleanup helps keep your projects running smoothly and your storage ready for what's next.